Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive helpful tips on how to relieve pain. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section down below.
It feels that I have pebbles between
Okay.
my toes, and then it's hard to determine where the pain is coming from. Then my toes feel numb. Right now it's a 3, but
Okay. So is that constant pain now or just comes and goes?
it's most constant.
So you have 3 constant pain, and at worst, how much pain from 0 to 10?
I've had worse up to 9.
Okay.
Yes,
All right. So how long have you been having this issue?
over the past 4 years.
4 years. So you've been diagnosed with bilateral Morton's neuroma.
Yes.
Okay. So for the last 4 years, what kind of treatment have you had?
I've done massage and,
Okay.
acupuncture.
Acupuncture. Did you see any podiatrist? Did you have any orthotic or any special shoes or anything like that?
The past 3 weeks I switched to just special shoes for Morton's neuroma, which is a wider toe.
Yeah, you want to have that. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, and that has helped, and the sole, the cushion sole has helped also.
Okay, but you still have pain, and when you do heel raises, is your pain going up?
Yes.
Okay. Have you had any chiropractor, any other treatment?
I've had chiropractor treatment, yes.
Okay. And you said you had cupping too?
Cupping.
Okay. So we want to do the motion that aggravate your symptoms. And so well, let's do 5. How much pain?
It's when I'm holding it,
When you hold it,
Yes.
how much pain you want?
it goes to 5.
Goes to the 5.
Yeah.
Yep. When you hold it up like this, it
Yes.
goes to the 5 in both of them.
Yes.
Okay.
It's more when I'm holding it.
Okay. All right. So we're gonna use that for testing, and it's the same intensity of pain in both sides.
Yes.
How's that?
A little bit.
Okay. If it's painful, just let me know, and
Okay.
I'll decrease the pressure a little bit. Okay. Is your feet usually cold like this? Cold hand and feet?
I have a cold feet issue, yes.
Oh, okay.
Yes, painful.
Sorry. Okay.
No, it's okay. I think I've had high tolerance pain, yeah?
Yeah, because if you have internal inflammation,
Yeah.
and we don't want to really inflame it more, so we want to be
Yeah,
gentle with that. So I'm gonna work initially on the proliferation stage, which like I'm gonna break the scar tissue, the fascial restriction, and the trigger point,
Yeah, painful?
but I don't want to cause more inflammation. Okay. Here.
Yeah, pain,
And here it's painful. It's okay.
Oh, that's good. Feels like a massage.
Okay. So yeah, I'm using ASTR tools here. You feel this bumpy here?
Yeah, yeah.
That's a scar tissue. You feel how nice and smooth in here?
Yeah.
That's not a scar tissue. Here is scar tissue. Here it's a knot here. You feel that? Okay. Here it's nice and smooth. So if it's mild inflammation, I'm gonna do a couple of things to really take care of that. We will know if it's mild or moderate or severe based on how she responds to the treatment. So we'll start with doing the stuff for mild inflammation first. And I will use the A3 now to really break the scar tissue, if you can tolerate it. Okay. Any pain with that?
No.
You hear that?
Yes.
Okay, that's a scar tissue. If there is no scar tissue, it should feel like nice and smooth, like here. And when we start to feel like grinding like that, bumpy grinding or rocky feeling, and that's the scarring there that give you that feeling, because muscle should not feel grinding. It's like, you know, when you go get a piece of meat from like a beef or whatever, steak, it feels smooth. It's not marbles. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Our muscles should act like that. That's like,
Yeah.
should be nice and smooth. You know? That's why you said like you had acupuncture. Mechanically with the needle, you're not gonna break that knot.
Yeah.
You know, it's not possible to do that. For massage, it's hard with the finger to really go deep, to really break it down and have enough pressure. So we're gonna break it now, and you can see the scar tissue. Look at the redness here.
Wow.
You see that?
Yeah.
Where she has a scar tissue, and that's like normal color, the skin. So we technically can see the map of the scar tissue, and I can feel it here, and if you use the tool, you feel like a kind of vibrating, you know, like going over a hump or something like that.
I feel it.
You feel it, yeah.
Yeah,
I know.
I feel that.
Is that too much? What I'm doing?
It's like a good bad feeling. I don't know. Yeah, that's
If you feel pressure, that's normal, okay?
Yeah.
Pressure is normal, but we don't want to cause inflammation, okay?
Okay.
Look at my tool, okay? I feel grinding here. If you
Yeah.
want to feel it, you can come and I'll
Yeah,
have you
that hurts,
try to
yeah.
feel it. It's hurt?
Yeah.
So I feel like there is a kind of like sand in there,
Yeah.
you know? Okay.
There's a lot. Oh yeah.
You hear that? There you go. So she has it similarly to the other side from outside. That's very typical because she was walking on the outside of her feet.
That hurts.
Sorry.
I already feel. I already feel better.
Good.
The throbbing is not.
So the constant pain 3 out of 10.
Yeah, the constant throbbing is not there.
It's not there?
No.
Okay, so now we are doing hair raises. It used to be 5 out of 10. Now how much? From 0 to 10.
Oh dear, I can't say. It's probably like a 2 now.
0 to 10, that's 2.
Yeah.
Good. So if it's mild inflammation, it should take a few minutes using the Magna Heal 2. And what I do for inflammation for the best result is I'm gonna use some pain relief cream. This is a special cream for inflammation because from the testing we find that when I put the pain relief cream and using the Magna Heal Pro, it takes very short time to decrease inflammation. A lot shorter than just because I don't want to sit here for 10 minutes. I just want to use it for a few minutes. So this is usually the protocol to get the inflammation. Okay. Let's put your feet together. So this way we get the magnet on it. How does this feel?
It's cool.
Cold? Yeah,
But it's okay.
that's no.
It's okay.
Yeah. So just doing this, and if someone uses it at home, we usually have them like just sit and put their feet on it, or something like that, or I can make it easy for myself. Put something in here. So
I spotted that. I think that's what it is. I
that
don't
is
know.
okay.
And the pink
So-
is the two.
Yep, I'm gonna use this cream on it because I actually tried with someone with fungus and it worked very well.
So it's the two small toes, right? Because of this one too.
This one is worse.
Yeah.
So actually, yeah, because some of the ingredients, I use the pain relief cream as a first aid, and some of those ingredients in it, it has property for antimicrobial, antivirus. So you can put it on open wound. You can put it on inflamed area, eczema, rosacea, any discolorization in the skin. So I personally had external cut, and I had like actually the picture online. In 2 hours after I put it on, you can see the tissue was healed.
Right.
Instead of seeing the red tissue
Mm-hmm.
from the cut, you will see just the white tissue that covering. It's phenomenal actually. So, but for fungus, you're probably gonna need to use it for several times because it's gonna take time to get the fungus under control. How's that? 0 to 10?
There's some, I feel some inflammation still there.
Okay.
Yeah, so
Pain or inflammation you feel there?
I feel like, no pain, but like I feel like,
You still, well, the scar tissue is gonna take a few
yeah.
sessions to
but
totally break
no,
it.
Pain, no pain.
I am not concerned about the grinding that you feel because some patient could be one treatment to really get rid of it. Other patients just couple of treatment. My main concern in the first session is the pain.
Yeah,
If
So
the pain
then
under
there's-
control is
under control, there's no,
okay, we're
Okay.
gonna work on the other
Yeah.
stuff and just gonna take it's basically if you have very thick scar tissue, just take a few time to
Mhm.
shave it, you know. So that's fine. Let's walk back and forth and tell me how that feel. So basically use the MagnaHeal Pro for less than 2 minutes. Back and forth and come back here. Is that your normal speed? Okay. Let's do heel toe walking. Pick up your toes.
pick up my toes.
Yep. Land on your heel. How's that?
Feels good.
Any pain?
No.
Okay, so you can have a seat.
Okay.
Alright, so you had bilateral Morton's neuroma
Mm-hmm.
for 4 years and we just worked on it a few minutes like with ASTR treatment. So what do you think about the ASTR treatment?
I like it.
Yeah, can you tell the difference?
Yes, I
Mhm.
can tell the difference.
So any pain now or it's fine?
Right now it's fine.
Perfect. So today is your third visit. So can you give me a feedback how you feel after the treatment and how it was difficult before and then how you feel now?
Yes. With my
Morton's neuroma. You had
yes.
bilateral Morton's neuroma.
Yes, I was having a lot of inflammation and pain, just even walking
Mm-hmm.
or with the treatment, the first day swelling came down and the whole area just was shrinking on every treatment.
Yeah, the tightness
The
or
tightness and
yeah,
the pain
the
and
feeling it was like decreasing the size.
decreasing the size,
Okay.
yes.
So now you had like your third visit. How do you feel now?
Now I feel it's probably like gone to 95 or almost 100% better.
Almost 100%
almost
better.
100%
So
better.
with walking, before it was difficult for you all the time, or with walking?
Yes, yeah, and just with walking it would feel throbbing.
Throbbing pain in
Yeah.
there. And you said you had it for how many years? 4 years?
On and off for 4 years.
For 4 years.
Yes.
And you had like acupuncture, chiropractor, and
Yes.
you saw podiatrist.
Yes.
Okay. So I remember one of the tests that we were doing is heel raises that was like you saying it was aggravated.
Yes.
So let's have you do that now. How does it feel?
Feels good.
Any
There's
pain,
no-
discomfort, anything?
No.
We're gonna do 10 or 100. No, just 10 for now. I know we did a lot today, you know, but that's a good thing. We overdoing it after the treatment just to make sure you are okay, no problem. You counting? If you're not counting, we're gonna do 300.
No, there's 2 more.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. I remember when we started that, you just felt the pain more like
Yes.
immediately from the first one. Yeah, you can have a seat. Any pain with that?
No pain. no pain.
Okay, so what do you think about ASTR treatment?
I do recommend
Mhm.
for others to try it.
Mhm.
I looked on different places, and then I didn't want to do the injections, cortisone injections. I didn't want to do that, and I didn't want to go through surgery either, so I think this will be the best approach for me.
All right, awesome. Thank you.
Thank you.
You can treat your pain at home and get similar results as what you just seen in this video. Simply click the link on the screen to start our home treatment program and begin your journey of healing, or go to asterinstitute.com.